Team 29 forecast.
You are looking live at an overcast, mostly cloudy and hazy Central Virginia and Blue Ridge Mountains as viewed by our Carter Mountain weather cam. Looking westbound, you can see downtown Charlottesville in the middle part of your screen and the Blue Ridge Mountains in the distance by about 15 to 20 miles. And west of the Blue Ridge, those clouds are trying to produce a little bit of rainfall. Good Sunday morning to you. I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Let's get you set up for your Sunday and beyond, shall we? Right now, temperatures are in the 40s and low 50s. This is about 10 degrees warmer than what we've had the past several mornings, at least 5 to 10 degrees warmer. But today, with extra clouds and a few showers arriving, we're going to be 10 degrees cooler this afternoon compared to yesterday. So right now, NBC 29's live Doppler radar picture shows east of the Blue Ridge. It is clear. But Blue Ridge and west, the radar picture is showing some showers trying to form Harrisonburg, Stanton to Waynesboro, south and west across I-81. A lot of that is not reaching the ground just yet. The atmosphere is pretty dry here at ground level, but the clouds are increasing from west to east and across mile-topping grounds of West Virginia, Ohio, and Kentucky. We're watching a couple of weak weather disturbances head our way from west to east, so I can't rule out some sprinkles or a ground dampening shower over the next 8 hours or so. But back to the west, some more active weather across the heartland. Tornado Alley will be very active over the next several days, so storm chasers are going to like this weather pattern from Texas to eastern Colorado, Kansas, Nebraska. This activity is going to stay to our west. We do not expect severe weather for at least the next week around here, as the most active weather, thunderstorm chances will be across Texas into areas of the High Plains states, a more typical May-type weather pattern. But for us, a big area of high pressure is going to be developing over the southeast coast, almost like a Bermuda high that we get in summertime. That's going to deflect most of the storminess across the northern plains into the Great Lakes and Northeast. That means a warmer weather pattern is on the way for us. Until then, today we have clouds. A couple of showers will show up on our high-res forecast model between late morning, mid-afternoon. Here's 3 p.m. Yeah, it's showing a few sprinkles and showers passing on by. Not a lot of rainfall going on tonight into tomorrow. Here's 8 a.m. on Monday. Mostly cloudy skies. Not much rainfall for that Monday morning or evening commute. Most of the rain is now going to dissipate as that warm front lifts north. The next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center is going to be that big-time warm-up. Look at this dome of high pressure over the southeast coast. That's going to, one, keep the storms west of us and going to heat us up 85, 90 plus degrees into the week, into next weekend. The rainfall projections have really come down, folks. The last few days, it looked like we were going to get a soaking rain. Right now, it looks like less than a quarter, less than a tenth of an inch of rain for your lawn and garden. Allergy report, well, we'll be dealing with temperatures on the warmer side, so grass is going to be growing this week. So high levels of grass pollen for the rest of May into June. We are now past the peak of tree pollen, though. Your forecast for today: expect a few showers, mostly cloudy skies, highs in the 60s for the most part. And for the overnight tonight, mostly cloudy, a stray shower chance, some patchy fog, lows upper 40s and low 50s. Monday's outlook, mostly cloudy, maybe a shower here or there, not a washout though, with highs in the upper 60s and low 70s. So today will be the coolest day of the next week and maybe even the rest of the month. Here's your 7-day forecast. Going to climb that temperature ladder: 80 on Tuesday, 85 Wednesday, mainly dry skies, hazy, hot, and humid conditions, more reminiscent of summertime as we head towards Friday and next weekend. 90 plus heat over Central Virginia, in the 80s across the valley. Now with the heat and humidity over the mountains, Daniel, there could be some spotty showers, but nothing organized in that extended forecast.
90s? I mean, are we at summer? What's with that?
I know. Now, so far, we've hit 89 degrees in Charlottesville. That's been the hottest temperature so far. I think we're heading for mini heat wave conditions. Okay. Mini heat wave at the end of the week.
So make sure you stay hydrated and make sure you watch out for ticks. Now, Josh, last hour, I shared my tick story when I was on a field trip. I used to be a teacher and got one under my arm. So do you want to share your...
Well, I had ticks in other places.
Okay.
We'll say.
We'll save that for the 6 o'clock.
For the CW.
Yes, no. Well, I mean, they can get anywhere. I mean, I didn't realize people think that they jump, but they run. So I was reading about them after I got my tick, and they can run up really fast and just like place themselves, usually like the fattiest part. So that's why I kind of got it under my arm. But
they stalk you. They wait.
And then they just start. They start draining your blood. So folks,
who wants breakfast now?
They can be small, so just make sure to stay safe. But we're going to give you some advice now. So thanks, Josh.